Hey, welcome back to CoinZoom. CoinZoom offers multiple different funding options through wire transfer, debit card deposit, and cryptocurrency funding. Please take note that as an anti-fraud measure, any funds deposited from your debit card cannot be withdrawn for 7 days when using a U.S. debit card or up to 21 days for most international debit cards. However, you can use these funds to purchase cryptocurrencies immediately right after your deposit. You will not be able to transfer the US dollar amount or any cryptos purchased with those funds during this hold time. This prevents a fraudster from stealing funds from a stolen debit card and transferring those funds to an untraceable crypto wallet. To fund from your debit card, click on Portfolio, select your trading wallet, and then select Deposit on the US dollar line. Enter the amount that you would like to deposit from your debit card. You can choose Visa or MasterCard, and then carefully enter your card number, security code, and expiration date following that. Double check that everything is correct and then click the Submit button. From here, you should see a signal that it was successful, and then you can use those funds immediately after your deposit to start buying crypto.